Yo, what's up, my construction crew? Big Bang Build back again with another banger video. Today we're gonna break down the 12 steps of building your dream project, BBK Vine style, but with less T2 Mama and more cement, you know what I'm saying? So grab your hard hats, your safety goggles, because safety is swaggy, and let's get this construction party started. First things first, gotta clear the jungle, bro. Trees, rocks, random junk, it's gotta go. Plus, set up that site office. Gotta have a place for chai time, right? Time to bring the blueprint to life. We're talking marking the ground, setting those reference points like a treasure map, but for bricks and mortar. This ain't no sandcastle, my friend. Time to excavate, go deep, make that foundation strong. But watch out, don't want any cave-ins. Safety first. Chapter 4. Step 4. PCC. The concrete foundation. PCC. The OG concrete. The base layer. Compact it tight, smooth it out. This is what your dreams are gonna stand on. Chapter 5. Step 5. Rebar. The steel skeleton. Time for some muscle. Rebar, the steel skeleton of your building. Gotta tie it up right. Make it strong like a wrestler. Chapter 6. Step 6. Foundation pour. Concrete time. The moment of truth. Pouring the foundation. Gotta make it level. Gotta vibrate it right. No air bubbles allowed. Chapter 7. Step 7. Stub columns. Pillars of strength. Stub columns like mini pillars, supporting the weight. And don't forget the waterproofing. We don't want any leaky basements. Chapter 8. Step 8. Perimeter blocks. Setting boundaries. Think of these blocks like the bouncers of your building, keeping everything in check. Plus, they help with different ground levels. You know, like a ramp for your dreams. Chapter 9. Step 9. Backfilling. Filling the gaps. Backfilling time. We're talking filling in the gaps around the foundation, compacting it tight. Gotta make it solid. Time to prep for the floor. Tie beams, like the superheroes of support. And the slab, well, that's your dance floor. Gotta make it smooth. Up we go. More rebar, more concrete. Those columns are gonna take us higher. Safety harnesses on, boys. No Spider-Man stunts allowed. Beams and slabs, the bread and butter of your structure. Lay 'em right, pour 'em strong. Soon you'll be walking on solid ground. And there you have it, folks. The 12 essential steps of construction, broken down BBK Vine style. Now go out there and build your dreams brick by brick, beam by beam. And remember, safety first, always. If you enjoyed this construction crash course, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more awesome content, and share this video with your builder buddies. Until next time, keep it real, keep it safe, and keep on building.